Good morning. Do I need another hat? That's subjective. Okay, I have other hats that I made, but I want to make another, so I'm gonna do that. So I have this yarn, which is Pattern Crochet sock yarn, and I love these colors with pink, purple, gray. Ah, beautiful. And I have a mohair that I've never used before. This in blue, pink, purple. These together. Yeah. And then I might do 3-stranded, so like with the black as well to kind of darken it up a bit. And this is what I'm thinking of combining together. Yeah, I'm gonna work on a cat hat, and that is what I'm gonna do. Hi, little Miss Toe Beans. Wanna smell? Pretty girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Okay, I'm gonna get started on this. And a strand of this black. It's time to make a cat hat. Okay, I want to take a second. Look at this. It's so pretty. This is perfect. This is like the color exactly that I wanted to have in mind. I wanted like black and pink and purple and blue. Just like beautiful kind of galaxy looking colors. It's perfect. So I'm first going to make the little band that'll fit around my head. And then after it fits my head, then I'll crochet the hat from there. But this is exactly what I wanted. It is beautiful. I love it. Little Miss Toe Beans. What you doing, baby girl? We have little Miss Toe Beans right here. We have my cat Kitten. She's over 10 years old. My cat Jetta. We've probably had her about 8 years. And then this is my most recent adopted cat, Timmy. Little Miss Toe Beans is not mine. She's a foster, so she belongs to the rescue. And she'll eventually get a home too. But she likes to sleep with me at night. She's very cute. She can be a little skittish, but she's getting better. She's doing good. Yes, she is. Oh, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Look at that tooth. I see a tooth. Yes, I do. Okay, I can get back to crocheting this. I'm going to get like the headband done part and then go from there. Alright, so my hat band is wide enough to fit around my head. So I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch up here. And then when I get to here, I'll start crocheting up for my hat. Alright, now this looks very nice if I do say so myself. This is where that seam is for slip stitching. I turn that edge in to where there's the seam right here. It's not really hardly noticeable since I double crocheted in the back loops for the band. And now I'm probably just going to do regular crochets. I'm going to chain 2 and just start double crocheting around, I think. Alright, good morning. I'd like to show you the progress that I made last night. Look at this. It's beautiful. I want yarn like this, that comes like this, with these beautiful pinks, purples, and blacks that I had to combine these to achieve. They're beautiful colors. I just love the galaxy type fabrics. Like, I don't know if this is showing up on camera like as pretty as it is. But when we do some outdoor lighting, when it's done, I think it'll look better as well. But like, this is beautiful. I'm very much enjoying making this. Hey, Timmy. That's my baby boy. Okay, so I just slip stitched across on the inside, closed up the top to make my cat ear hat. Now, what I'm thinking, I might consider making heart shapes for the inside of the cat ears. So I'm gonna see how that looks, and then I'll be back. And I think for the hearts, I might just use this. But let me see if I have anything else that's similar in just pink. Let me see. All right. I think I might use this. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I think I finished. I tried hearts and I didn't really like how it looked. And then I tried bows and I liked that better. I wonder if I should have made them more contrasty, but I don't feel like doing anymore. And I think I'm happy with how it looks. Yeah. Alright, I came back inside because it was too windy to like talk. It would like mess up the sound. But actually, I tried hearts and I tried bows, but I think I actually like it the most plain. So I ended up deciding to take those off. Then I actually did the little ties in my hair. And I kind of liked that way better. Yeah, kind of cute. Yeah. So I really like how this hat turned out. 10 out of 10. We'll probably make more in the future. I do actually have a tutorial on how I make these on my channel. Maybe I'll link it above somewhere. I think I could do that. I think it's pretty easy. If I remember. But anyways, thank you for joining me. I hope you have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like watching my videos, because that helps out my channel. And I guess that's it. So I made this very cozy, warm hat using 3 strands of yarn. I think typically people don't like 3-strand crocheting. I've never even done it with knitting. But I really like the colors and how it turned out. It's super cute. These colors are the best together. Pink, purple, black, blue. Yes, I love galaxy colors. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.